Exercise 38. Which of the following diagrams represents the solution to the equation 3x minus 6 greater than 0? Okay, let's first solve that. 3x minus 6 greater than 0. It's a first degree inequality, so there shouldn't be any problem. 3x is greater than 6. So if I divide both by 3, I would get that x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2, the number line would have looked like that. 2 somewhere here, greater than that, so we extend it to the right end. It cannot be A, it cannot be B, it cannot be D, it's obviously C.